Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the host. Enable CPU virtualization so the guest can use hardware acceleration. Once done, download the Linux ISO and verify the checksum to avoid corrupted installs. Install your chosen VM hypervisor, VirtualBox for simplicity, VMware for features, or KVM for performance. Make sure to allocate storage and a snapshot plan now so you don't lose work. These steps give you control over performance and recovery before creating the VM. They prevent common early failures. Now create the virtual machine. Select the Linux distribution type so the hypervisor applies sensible defaults. Assign at least 2 CPUs and 2 GB of RAM or more for a smoother experience. Create a virtual disk, 20 GB or larger, using dynamically allocated storage for flexibility. Attach the ISO to the virtual CD drive and choose network mode. NAT for simple internet access or bridged for LAN visibility. Configure the storage controller and enable boot the VM and follow the Linux installer. Partition the virtual disk, create a user, and install the bootloader so the system starts independently. Once installed, remove the ISO and reboot, then install guest editions or VM tools to enable proper graphics, shared folders, and clipboard integration. Make sure to update packages. If the VM won't boot, check the ISO checksum, confirm CPU virtualization is enabled, and switch the virtual disk controller type. These quick checks fix most installation and boot issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.